Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add coupons in the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Airbnb app, and here it opens up in the explore page where we have some offers and some suggestions. From here we have to tap on profile, and here in profile we tap on payments and payouts, and then on credits and coupons at the top. Here, that's the second option, we find coupons, and if you just tap on add coupon, we can enter the coupon code that we have here, and then just tap on apply, and it's going to be added to our coupons list, which we can check here just by tapping the number. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.